CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1, Classify common types of input and output device interfaces. FireWire. FireWire is a wired peripheral device interface standard that was released in 1995. With FireWire, there is not much to talk about. In fact, I am sure a few of you are scratching your heads wondering what FireWire is. The FireWire standard came out about the same time as USB, but it did not receive wide support from computing manufacturers, leading to its obscurity. FireWire provides many of the same features as USB, including being plug-and-play capable, hot swappable, and also provides peripheral devices with power in addition to data transmissions. Connectors for FireWire come with either 6 or 4 pins. Now one last word of caution. Be careful not to confuse the 6-pin connector with that of the USB Type B connector. They are very similar in appearance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.